Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change YouTube username on your phone. It doesn't matter you have iOS or Android. Now let's get started. First we need to open our YouTube app. Here we need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. In the appearing menu we should find your channel and click on it. Now we can see the main page of your YouTube channel. There are three options at the middle, but we need to tap on pencil at the right corner. Here we see our present name and we need to click on it. Now we can change our previous username. After changing, you just need to tap at the check mark at the top right corner. And that's all. It was how to change YouTube username on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.